The last 24 hours have seen Shiba Inu's price skyrocket, and the project is now at a crossroads. Everyone with a stake in the project or SHIB tokens should watch this video immediately. How will the most recent developments involving the Shiba Inu coin impact its value? Today I'll be answering all of your questions and sharing all the new information that has just surfaced regarding Shiba Inu in my video. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Before we go any further, I wanted to mention that this channel is giving out 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. To participate, simply subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below using the hashtag Shiba Inu. Wishing you the best of luck. Before we get into the meat of the matter though, how about we check out the Shiba price chart for September 26th. Approximately 1,842 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With $1.7 billion in trading activity, SHIB's price has increased 18% in the past 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market valuation of more than $10.8 billion. The prices shown in this video are subject to change at any moment. We do not provide financial advice on this content. The video for today is ready to go. Exactly why is Shiba Inu awake and alert today? The main causes of the recent increase in price. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency by market cap, left the liquidity zone after being stuck in a horizontal consolidation between 1,500 units and 1,200 units since early August. There was a 13% increase in the past 24 hours for the high-cap meme currency, which has a deep liquidity of over $7 million. On Thursday, during the early New York session, roughly 1,716 units were traded. The bulls behind Shiba Inu puppies have likely regained control of the market. After 6 months of volatility, as the daily relative strength index is now above 70%. The Shiba Inu price increase today was caused by several major factors. Evolution of Shibarium TVL. The Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, which is built on the Ethereum network, saw its total value locked climb to nearly $3.64 million earlier today, just 1 week after the debut of the Bone Crusher. The excellent foundation laid by this week's performance bodes well for future advancements as Shibarium continues to evolve. The platform's evolution in the end. Decentralized finance area will be greatly impacted by the community's involvement. Lead marketer for Shiba Inu Lucy made a note of it. On the Shibarium network, WoofSwap, MarkSwap, and ChewSwap are just a few of the top-performing DeFi projects. The Shi stablecoin launched. The core developers, headed by Ryoshi, want to create stablecoins soon in an effort to increase liquidity among other utilities in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With the release of the Shi stablecoins, the Shiba Inu meme coin will gain more reputation and put itself ahead of the competition. According to the team, Shi will improve the SHIB ecosystem's capabilities as development continues, creating a more stable financial landscape and a trustworthy foundation for decentralized finance. If you're interested in watching my video from earlier today, I go into more depth about this. You can find it following this video. Shibdenity goes live in an effort to increase the widespread use of its DeFi protocols. The Shiba Inu team has announced the creation of the Shibdenity in partnership with D3. Though it hasn't been incorporated just yet, Shibdenity is aiming to provide users more power by letting them manage their presence across decentralized networks easier and giving them greater control over their online identities and assets. Development of the network and positive market prediction. With over 1.4 million holders, Shiba Inu is the biggest meme coin on the Ethereum network. Institutional investors looking to diversify their cryptocurrency portfolio have been drawn to Shiba Inu due to its deep DeFi liquidity. The price of Shiba Inu followed the example of Dogecoin and Bitcoin in a positive breakout as the October impact in the cryptocurrency market reached new heights. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. Be sure to tune in for all the most recent Shiba Inu news, as well as the potential outcomes for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Following the update on Shiba Eternity's progress, SHIB and Bone Clash. Thursday saw a dramatic increase in the value of Shiba Inu and its two largest coins following a flurry of announcements from the company's CEO. First, Lucy, the head of marketing for SHIB, announced that unforeseen obstacles had delayed the launch of Phase 2 of Shiba Eternity. The group's primary goal is to make sure the community is satisfied. Bug patches, including one for the loading screen, are still being worked on by the Shiba Inu Games team, while beta testing on Shibarium continues. An in-depth tutorial for the P2E version was originally released by Shiba's gaming division. Coming soon to Shibarium Shiba Eternity Phase 2. In Phase 2 of Shiba Eternity, the mobile collectible card game is set to undergo closed beta testing with a Web3 edition. At the beginning of the transition from virtual cards to tradable on-chain assets, early access will be available to Shiboshis, and owners of NFTs related to the Shiba Eternity mythos. The original release of Shiba Eternity in October 2022 attracted mobile card gang aficionados and introduced the brand to a wider audience. New P2E features on Shibarium's chain include real in-game asset ownership and reward contests. An adult Shiba Inu can reach a height of 3 months. The symmetrical triangle is no longer an obstacle for SHIB. Price action surpassed the bull run that began on August 25, 2024, as it surged from a daily low of 1,494 to 1,729 units. SHIB achieved a level of confluent resistance not seen since late July 2024, with a ratio of 1,604 to 5 units. At the same time, Bond Shiba Swap also gained 10%, reaching a new monthly high of $0.46. Though it reached a 3-month high of $0.58 on July 16, 2024, the official gas fee token of Shibarium is still quite a ways off. Into the block reports that despite a minor intraday drop, the upward price trend for Bong Shiba Swap is likely to continue as long as Bong closes above $0.44, the lowest point of the present resistance bubble. At an average price of 55 cents, where traders are likely to start collecting profits, there are 8.83 thousand addresses holding 48.61 M Shiba in used Bone. Given that only 23% of present Bone custodians are profitable at this pricing, advancements within the Shibarium system are crucial for the upward path. A decentralized app for staking liquid derivatives was recently introduced by Shibarium L2 on Ethereum, similar to the utility of the Lido protocol. Instantaneously, the move increased the total amount locked in for Shibarium. In contrast, despite numerous requests by SHIB Army members to have Bone Shiba Swap listed on Binance and KuCoin, the exchange has so far been unresponsive. On the one-day Shiba crypto technical charts, the new stochastic relative strength index pointed to 83, suggesting a very overbought state. The significance of this: the Shiba Inu has evolved from a parody into a serious investment opportunity thanks to its practicality and widespread acclaim. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. Shiba Inu set to reach record-breaking levels. A trend analysis: the Shiba Inu population may have reached a new record level. A cryptocurrency analyst has pointed out that the price has broken out of a falling trend line, which might indicate a positive reversal. Trend examination of prices. A white declining trend line shows that the price of SHIB has been consistently trending downward, with lower highs. Investors are worried that this downward trend will continue. Nonetheless, chances for upward movement may have arisen due to the recent breach above this trend line, suggesting a potential change in momentum. In order to predict how prices will go in the future, familiarity with support and resistance levels is essential. For potential purchasers in the event of a price retracement, the prior low of 1,000 units serves as a crucial support level. The price is seeing selling pressure near 1,700 established in units, one of numerous resistance levels on the upward. Traders may aim for areas of higher resistance if the upward trend keeps on. Together with the subsequent critical barrier at 4,000 units. At 7,000 units, there is a substantial barrier to further movement. In order to solidify SHIB's upward trajectory, a break through these levels is necessary. Market indicators and prognosis. With a live price of 1,700 units, the current market opinion towards Shiba Inu is largely positive.